Okay, I'm really excited right now. I'm at the YouTube space in Paris, and I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers because you got me here. Now that I broke over 10,000 subscribers, I'm allowed to have access and use this studio space. So I can use it 2 times a month. I can edit in their post-production facilities 2 times a month. And if you watch my channel before, I shoot everything in my tiny apartment in the suburbs of Paris. It's very difficult with all the audio distractions and just all the distractions there. It can be very hard to shoot. And here I have access to incredible equipment. I've got a green screen back here. I've got a Red Raven cam over here. I've got the Sony a7S. I've got a huge monitor over here. We have a lighting grid. There's a creepy mannequin over here that I'm about to light up. It's crazy. I feel like I'm at Disney right now. So once again, thanks for being subscribed to my channel. It got me here. It allows me to use this space. I just want to say I really appreciate it. Also, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe because I'm really trying to hit that next milestone, which is 100,000 subscribers. Because once I hit that level, I get to use this studio space 8 times a month instead of just 2 times a month. And believe me, I'm really going to use all 8 of those days. So now I start that journey to the next milestone, 100,000 subscribers. Any help would be appreciated. If you could just like my videos, share them, tell people about my channel. I would very much appreciate it. Thanks again. See ya.